Hi guys, welcome back to Beauty on Monday, where we do bomb things on a Monday. Jasmine here. I am so excited to be bringing you more frequent content. Your girl is on a schedule. If you're new here, welcome. And if you're not, welcome back. Today, I'm going to be giving you part one of my two-part hair care regimen series. I'm going to be giving you 10 tips on how to create your hair care regimen. These tips are for all hair types because we are focusing on hair care and not necessarily hair styling. So insert your products as you go, but I'm going to be helping you create a hair care regimen, very much like your skincare regimen. So let's get started with 1 through 5 of my top 10 hair tips to kickstart your healthy hair journey. Let's go. So tip 1 actually starts at the shampoo bowl and prior. So what you're going to want to do is establish a co-wash, pre-poo, pre-treatment regimen. You need one. So for me, it's a co-wash. I use a medicated shampoo. So using a co-wash primes my hair and protects it from the harsh detergents in that shampoo. This could be like some type of rinse out conditioner. It could be an oil for some. And for my pre-treatments could be an exfoliating scalp scrub or an apple cider vinegar pre-rinse. Listen to your hair and find the pre-treat that works best for you. Tip 2, deep conditioning and post-poo treatments. Condition every time you wash your hair. Holy grails for me are the Aphogee line and Ola Plex to bind my cuticle and keep my hair smooth. I have fine hair, so I'm heavy on the protein with balance of moisture. Tip 3, ditch your towel. Only use old t-shirts to dry your hair. Regular towels strip your hair unnecessarily of moisture. Tip 4, always use a leave-in and or heat protected depending on the hairstyle. So if you're doing heat style versus a natural do, you still want to use something in your hair. My favorite leave-ins are mostly sprays and spray creams and lotions. Tip 5, take care when detangling. Some people can finger detangle. My hair is too fine for that, so I use gentle wet brushers or wide tooth combs to get the tangles out of my hair. I never, ever, ever let my hair get matted. If my hair is dry, I mist it with water to soften it, apply a serum, and then section and detangle. So that's pretty much it for tips 1 through 5 for my part 1 of the 2-part series. And today, again, we just really focused on things to do prior to the shampoo bowl and at the shampoo bowl. I mean, the shampoo bowl is a huge part of hair care, so we want to make sure that we are getting that right. So I do want to make sure that I drive home that these tips are not specific to any type of hair type. These are just building out your routine. You're going to still research different types of products for your hair type and your texture. This is merely just a sort of a format to create for yourself so you can get into the habit of really caring for your hair. Thank you guys for joining me. Feel free to watch the rest of this video. I'm just doing a quick little hairdo. Please don't forget to subscribe. Watch the video that is suggested after this. Tell a friend to tell a friend, and I will see you next time. Take care.